it kind of threw me for a loop. I was kind of like, okay, Black Radiance. Yeah. Hey you guys, this is the girl Crown Me Rastadol. So for today's video, I am going to be trying out a $3 foundation. Like literally, need I say more? Need I say more? Y'all already see what it's giving. But in all seriousness, I am going to be trying out the Black Radiance Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup. This foundation retails for about $4.79. I actually got like a new color. This says new. Well, at the time, I don't know if it's new or if it's just new to the CVS I went to, girl. I don't know, but it did have a $2 off coupon, so I ended up getting this bad boy for about $2.79. So let's round it up and let's say about $3. Now stay tuned, we're going to be trying out this $3 foundation, and I'm also going to be trying this Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I've had it there for a while and I've never actually used any Beauty Bakery products, so yeah, we're going to be trying this on our eyes. Definitely stay tuned to see how this foundation applies. Your girl was shook. Okay, go ahead right now before we jump into the video. Before you forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow me on my Instagram, same name as the YouTube, crown_me_rastadol, where you can see the fire pics that I take after I do these videos. And without further ado, let's jump into this video. Hey you guys, y'all know how I'm starting, and yes, I still got my curls. Don't judge me. So first off, I'm literally just gonna be putting my hair in a bun, but I will just fix up the front a little bit. So before I get into the makeup, I wanted to quickly show you guys this fresh Kombucha or Kombucha cleansing treatment that I was gifted by Fresh. So this retails for $44 and it is a pollution removal no rinse cleanser. It's a dual action leave on facial treatment, gently cleanses while maintaining skin's defense system in one simple step, powered by Kombucha. Okay, so today I'm actually I'm lazy. I don't feel like going to the bathroom, which I think is really good about a product like this. I literally just put my moisturizer on and my sunblock and I went out the door. But I do, before applying makeup, do want to cleanse my face, because of course just being outside, pollutants in the air, etc., can cause your face to get dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna apply some of this to my cotton pad and then I'm just gonna wipe this all over my face. I've been using it for this a lot, and I have used this to remove makeup. Usually I'll use like a makeup wipe or a makeup remover first and then go in with this as the last step, just to make sure everything is cleansed if I don't feel like going to the sink. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this, and I do use the Fresh cleanser, so it kind of like, you know, just falls right in line. I actually really like Fresh products. They are a little bit more on the pricey side, but I feel like the ingredients just do really well with my skin. So next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use a moisture replenishing serum. This one happens to be by Farsali. Actually washed a bunch of brushes last night, like all the brushes that I've been using recently. I'm really trying to do that a lot more often, because I find I go entirely too long without cleaning my makeup brushes. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these brows done so we can jump into this look. Today for brows, of course, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. Be right back.
Make you my wife, baby. Follow me, go, follow me, go, stay with me, just stay with me, girl.
Alright you guys, So jumping into eyes, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Eyelid Primer.
To see my brother, I beg you to see my sister. See, mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah.
For today's palette, I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed palette. I actually had this palette for a minute and I've never used it. Well, I used it yesterday, I think, and my look came out kind of cute. So I was like, I'm gonna use it tomorrow and make video, whatever. First shadow that I'm gonna use is called Messy Hair. It actually took me so long to use this palette, which is just a little crazy, just because I don't know, it really didn't catch my eye when I first saw it. I was kind of like, meh. I think it's because I have like so many palettes. When I see these more neutral,
That thing up on the floor, make you do it for me, make you do it for me, girl. You know it's okay, okay.
I feel like a lot of girls like a natural look though, so this is actually really good. It's just like a little more gray tone, kind of mauve-y. This color is actually pretty. I'm actually not mad at it. I'm gonna be wearing like this really cute pink sweater today. It's super cold outside, y'all. So I figured let me give this palette a try since it's very neutral and just kind of feeds off of the mauve-y pinky tones.
You know it's okay, oh, you know it's okay, oh, you know it's okay, oh, girl. That thing up on the floor, make you do it for me, make you do it for me, girl. You know it's okay, oh, you know it's
Don't worry if it looks dark, we're gonna blend it.
okay, oh, you know it's okay, oh, you know it's okay, oh, baby, I love you.
See that? Now it's like a nice little highlight. I'm just gonna use the same conceal and define business I used at first, and I'm gonna go ahead, take like a little brush and go ahead and cut my crease.
Oh, we are there for you plenty, oh. I cannot deny you're a blessing, oh. You're a blessing sent from above. Hey, you're a blessing, oh. Anything that you do, you're a blessing, oh. And the way that you move, you're a blessing, oh. Everything that you do is a blessing, oh. Hey, I'm a Karuneka, I Halima. All of them got nothing on you, girl. Those girls got nothing on you, girl. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Just do it for me. Put that thing up on the floor. Make you do it for me. Make you do it for me. Girl, you know it's okay, oh. You know it's okay, oh. You know it's okay, oh. You know.
Alright, you guys, so for the main star of the event, of the video, we have this Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation. This is apparently in a new shade because it says new across the top, which is why I ended up getting it for about $3, like $2 something actually. If you really want to be real, retails for like about $4.79, $4.79. So I ended up getting this bad boy for like $2.79 because when I bought it, right under this new sticker had like a $2 off. I actually wore this foundation all day yesterday. I went to like Coney Island, I took pics, I went to eat, I had sushi. I was out. Say we outside. All right, we was outside yesterday and I had this on all day and I was actually shook when I came back home and I went in the mirror and I looked at my face. I was like, what? Like, this is the $3 foundation? I'm not even gonna hold you. I even went by my mom and then she was like, what foundation is that you have on? Is that the Fenty foundation you were talking about? And I'm like, no girl. It's that whole $3 face. Stop talking about Fenty. But let me read the claims of this foundation. It says the Color Perfect liquid makeup is specially formulated for the woman of color. This oil-free full coverage formula, full coverage now, I don't know about that part, enhances natural skin tone, never red, ashy, or shiny. The foundation glides on smoothly and evenly, leaving skin looking fresh for a natural finish. This, I must say, is the truth. The color that I have is Nutmeg. Let's start to put the foundation on. As I talk about it, I'm going to go in with a freshly washed foundation brush. What's interesting about this foundation is its applicator. It actually has like a concealer type applicator, which I thought was pretty interesting. It's pretty easy to apply, not gonna hold you. You guys are gonna see the coverage for yourself. The website claims it's full coverage. You guys about to be the judge of that. So yeah, when I first put it on yesterday, I low-key felt like, where'd it go? Not even gonna lie, I was like, I put like way less though than I did just now. So I did go in with 2 layers yesterday. So, but like I said, I did go in with way less yesterday just because it was my first time trying it, and I usually don't put that much foundation on.
You don't know. Bad man.
And there's no scent to it also, which I like, because I don't go up with a lot of scent in my products. I don't like that. Just blend in the rest with a beauty blender, and you guys could tell me what you guys think after 1 layer. Well, maybe I dragged it because like I said yesterday, I put on way less for the first layer, so maybe that's why, because this is actually not bad in terms of coverage for me personally. But a $3 foundation, I really don't think this is that terrible, because of course I still have to go in with so much other products, you know. But I will put another layer just so that you guys can see if it can reach full coverage, since they mentioned it being full coverage, and I don't think this is full coverage. It's there, but it's not quite there, you know. So let's go in with a little bit more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This body baby, oh. Ah, this body baby, oh. Yeah, yeah.
I do think adding that next layer gave it more coverage, so I would say it is buildable. And I like the finish of, y'all, I'm actually backtracking on that full coverage thing, because I'm telling y'all, yesterday when I first put it, I know what it is, because you know, usually I try to make one pump work all over my face. So I probably put it really sheer, but having that knowledge of what it looked like yesterday when I first put that sheer layer, it did make me go in with a lot more on my first try today, and I think it looks gorgeous. I love the finish. I think it kind of dries down pretty nicely. What do you guys think? And the color works amazing. I'm feeling Miss Black Radiance right now. Like, tossing me nice. This is crazy. This foundation is $3, y'all. And it's really, oh my God. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling you all. This thing stood up. It stood up, and I think I cried. I think I had tears in my eyes yesterday because it was so cold, and I was trying to take a picture, and it was so cold. It was like so windy, and I definitely teared, and I just like wiped it away, and I was like, damn, my makeup is gonna be done for. But your girl was sitting. So I'm just gonna give you guys a chance to look at the face and check out the foundation before I go in with my concealer and things of that nature. So I gave the foundation some time to sink in, and overall, I freaking love the finish of this, and it does have that natural skin like finish that they speak of. It's like, even though it's covering and, you know, doing what it can to do, doing what it has to do, doing its job, it's still giving skin, and I like that. I personally like that. I don't like to just look like, ugh, like you have a mask on your face. I don't like that. And I also like that it dried down pretty matte, because, you know, that's my thing. I don't really like to be all dewy and stuff like that. Patting me down, baby. Patting me down. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face, and then we'll get back to talk about it in the end.
Bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm on to Sean, say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine, make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental. Even on one time. It's okay. Bad man will take you there. Pull up. Man finna gone away. It's alright, it's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up.
Alright you guys, so that is going to complete this video. This is how the face turned out. Gorgeous, if I might say so myself. I think the foundation looks great, and I'm telling you guys, the foundation was looking so good hours later after a day of wear and tear. To be honest, I would recommend this, and I feel like I don't even feel no way about recommending it because okay, I got mine for $3, well almost $3, but let's just say you do it up and buy it full price, girl, it's like $5. So I would definitely tell you to try it out because as you can see, your girl, it worked out, and I used pretty affordable things with it. So it's not to say like I doctored it up with the name brand things. No, we used our Maybelline, our Juvia's, our e.l.f. products. Like we kept it very, very affordable. Definitely check it out. I am low-key shook. I am low-key amazed. This is like my second day in a row wearing it, and it's looking very, very nice. Definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload another video. So if you guys stay tuned, you'll probably see me using this again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually really love the way this look turned out. So if you guys love it too, give me a thumbs up, write a comment down in the comment section. Let me know, what did you think about the foundation? Are you shocked? Are you surprised? Have you ever tried Black Radiance before? Hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah. This is
Original.
We have our fresh kombucha cleaning treatment.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright.